Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, launch the Phantom app or browser extension and log in to your account. Once you are in, tap the Send button and choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, like SOL or USDC. Next, enter the wallet address you're sending funds to. Double-check the address to avoid mistakes and tap the Next button. Now, type in the amount you want to withdraw and review the transaction fees. Hit Next and confirm the transaction. That's it. Your funds will be on their way. And that's how easy it is to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. See you in the next video.